કરી રહ્યા.
So do you know the location? Where do you go?
Yeah, we are going to the headquarters.
Headquarters?
Yeah.
The
Yesterday.
Police office.
Yeah.
Oh, we are going to inside this time?
Probably, yeah.
Okay, okay. Hello, sir. Hello, hi.
Fine.
Yeah, good, good.
You want?
Kopi dong.
મારા મિત્ર સાઉથ કોરિયાથી વાન મેન લોક મેડમ આવ્યા છે અને એમને રાજકોટનો લોક મેડમ ખૂબ જ એન્જોય કરી રહ્યા હા સાઉથ આફ્રિકા આનો લઈ લો ને.
That's good. I haven't tried that one yet.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. That's nice. Yeah.
Can you take it off your bag? Because
ઉતરી જાઓ.
I'm so scary.
How was the experience? It was really amazing. Wow. Wow.
બટર છે ને અમને બે દઈ દઈએ.
This is Kyle.
લા
Dala.
મિક્સ અપ ફર્સ્ટ મિક્સ અપ
Yeah, still hot. Are you okay? Gosh, it's really hot.
You can use this. You can also use.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
If you want then like you can use spoon. Like this. Okay.
Yeah.
But what? And then wait. It's hot.
It's okay.
હા ઈ ખાઈ જાય ગરમ આપણે like this.
Yes. Okay, you are a man of the
હા yeah.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Yeah. Koreans love curry. Yeah. Are you using spoon?
You are going to have one more interview.
Oh, okay. Hi, how are you? It's okay, take your time. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, so amazing people. Everybody is so nice and welcoming, and then food are amazing. You know, Korean people like curries, right? So everything is so nice. I'm really getting fat here. Yeah. So it's really hard to pick only one, but you know, big whale, right? Big whale.
Talk with main collector office. Collector means all head of this district.
Yeah. Wow.
Your story will be posted in CM portal. Yeah, basically the chief minister is like a governor of particular state. King, no? King is the head of entire state.
Oh, I'm
that
scared
is
now.
Gujarat. So this interview will be published on his own website, the CMO, Chief Minister's Office.
Yeah, I'm scared now. 해외로 데리고 나왔는데 다른 호텔까지 잡아줬어요. 여기도 무슨 룸서비스 이런 거 그냥 다 하라고 하고 이거 너무 한데 호스텔이면 되는 인간이에요. 나 이런 데 안 줘도 돼. 부담돼. 와 정말 클래스 장난 없네요. 와 리조트 준 것도 어마어마한데 거기 너무 머니까 시내 와서 이제 기차 타야 되니까 시내에 있으라고 지금 방 잡아줬거든요. 이거 지금 호텔방 저 혼자 쓰라고 줬어요. 돈도 안 받아. 아, 화장실도 완전 와우. 어떻게 이거 뭐 받아도 되나 모르겠네 진짜 이거. 아우. There's a fan in the elevator. Yes. Namaste. Namaste. Yeah.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm also fine.
Fine. Thank you. Good to hear that.
आपका गेस्ट है साउथ कोरिया से म्यूजियम बता
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yes.
आपका आराम से है ना एड यूजर
Do you want tea?
You already got it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
पिक्चर हो गया
한번 들으려고 했는데 문을 닫았네요. 괜히 제가 이거 뮤지엄 안 갔다고 하니까 우리 매운 형님한테 친구들이 괜히 한 소리 들었어. 그래서 숙제처럼 오고 있습니다. 근데 오늘 문을 닫았네요. 뭔가 지금 쇼부를 치고 있는데 설마 이것까지 바꿀 수 있진 않겠지.
Yeah, let's go.
What? We can go?
Museum is closed today,
Yeah.
but we can walk around and we can see.
Okay. Okay.
But we won't be able to enter inside. So
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. But still we can enter. So thanks to Mahul sir. Mahul sir.
yeah, that's true. That's true. Where we studied. It was a
Namaste. Gandhi School.
Let us take a couple of pictures.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that
yeah.
I can.
Yeah, we have to do the homework. Huh?
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you, sir. PCR 테스트를 받으러 가는 길입니다. 친구가 이렇게 데려다 준다고 했는데 또 아는 센터가 있어서 혹시나 결과가 문제가 없겠지만 더 신경 써준다고 직접 데리고 간다고. 하지만 언제나 쏠리네요. PCR 테스트 결과를 받고 이제 트레인을 한 15시간을 타고 다음에 이제 비행기를 캐치를 해야 되는 상황인데 문제가 없었으면 좋겠습니다. 하나라도 아다리가 안 맞아 떨어지면 편하니까. 괜히 그래서 사실 크게 틀어질 리가 없는 거임에도 불구하고 괜히 쫄리는 거 있죠. 안 쫄아보니까. Take it from here and then they take it from here. Okay.
Nationality, they don't know the passport number also.
So Mr. Kwang was a little bit scary about the RT-PCR. He wants to go home.
I miss my mom.
Basically, asking to you, how is the country? How is India? Oh, hey, oh.
PCR 테스트는 400 정도 하네요. 400. 그것도 못 내게 버리면 아. 식당 이름 좋네요. 세컨 라이프. 오늘 인도 최고의 만찬을 하기 위해서 친구들하고 같이 와 있고요. 평일 저녁이라 그렇게 많이 보이지 못했다고 또 미안해하고 있어. This is also vegetarian restaurant?
Yes.
Oh yeah, nice. 다들 이렇게 부담스럽게 쳐다보시네요. Yes. Only Gujarat special. Yes. So I quit smoking, so I can't do that. But I can smell it, maybe.
Yeah, you can smell. You can smell it proper like this.
Just like woods. So how do you do that? Can you show me, please?
Take it little portion.
Yeah.
And just
Yeah. So you're not eating it, right? You chew and then
Yeah.
you spit it out.
just chew and spit it out.
Ah, okay.
That's
I tried once in my life and I started vomiting. So it's even I cannot follow that.
Even
not
you.
It's not for everyone. Just like if you like this, then you can chew it.
Ah,
and just
okay.
spit it.
What do you call this thing?
Faki.
Fucky.
Yeah.
It sounds like an F word in the US. Fuck it. Just making fucky.
It's a tobacco.
Ah, this is tobacco. Ah, got it.
This one is a lime.
Ah, so bitter nuts, lime, then tobacco.
And tobacco.
Got it. Ah.
You see the process. You will just do like this.
Ah.
You will mix it. Just like blend it.
So this is pan, right? This is pan.
Yeah, this is pan.
Pan leaf.
One other
What is that?
lime.
That's lime. On the pan leaf,
Yeah,
lime.
also
And then
local tobacco.
tobacco.
Yeah, like not with any chemical and all. It's
okay.
like a raw tobacco. And that one is with chemical.
Then pan is also like cigarette?
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
you just last time you had that one like a sweet pan,
Okay.
and this one is with tobacco.
Pan also got the same effect.
Yeah,
You eat pan, then you get high.
similar like this.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Pan is like two types of pan, with tobacco, without tobacco.
Maybe I had without tobacco.
Yeah, you
okay.
have without.
Okay.
Let's go.
Thank you, mister. Thank you. 마지막 가는 날까지 이렇게 챙겨주신다고 차를 끌고 와주셨어요. That's the platform 2? This is one. 우리 제트님과 검찰 형님이 끝까지 이렇게 자리를 해주시네요. 참 고마운 분들. 저번과 또 실수를 하지 않기 위해서 정신을 똑바로 차리고 있어야지. I'll never forget what you guys done for me. You guys have any work for me?
You are a cool guy.
Not cooler than you, but cool, yeah?
Yeah, definitely. There are many things I would like to say. I learned a lot from you.
What did you learn from me?
Yeah, it's really require great courage
Always you are
to travel
always
alone.
and anytime you are totally and fully energetic.
So you are energetic. You have been to many countries alone. That requires courage. And yeah,
First thing to learn
love
from
travel.
you never gone home from 7 months.
Hello, sir. Good, how are you? Yeah, I just wanted to say I'll be missing you. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, yeah. Be healthy and study hard. I will see you are going to Harvard next time, okay? Harvard University. You know what Harvard is, right? Harvard or Oxford. Okay. Okay. Best wishes. Bye bye. Now he has to study hard.
He's there.
야, 넌 come. 아, 진짜 뛰어오고 있어, 저. 아. Finding A1. This is A1, yeah. I have to see him. He didn't have to come.
That's alright. You can make it.
Maybe he's in other side. Because A1 is hard to find, right? Yeah, once again, thank you so much, man. Thank you.
My pleasure.
My Hey. Thank you for coming on you marathon. Yeah, perfect shirt.
See you soon, bro.
Listen, man. Thank you so much for everything, guys. Thank you. Thank you, man.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Just take
Yeah.
a picture with me. Vaya, upar vaya jaldi. That's one. That's one.
Yes.
Aur pura.
Careful. Take care. See you.
If you need any kind of help between the journey, just
Yeah. Thank you guys so much. Yeah. So
See you.
See you.
Bye.
Take care, guys.
let me know if you need anything.
Yeah. Thank you so much.